Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to complete our page 20. As we are done with our reading, so let's start our comprehension. Open up your books, page 20. Part A. Ask and answer the questions. What's your favorite part of the story? Think about it. For me, the favorite part is the zebras run away from Elliot and Tootie. It's funny. Part B. Who says these sentences? Match. You see, I have already solved this out for you on my book. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this out for yourself as well. Let's match our answers. I can't find my family. Elliot said that. I can help. Tootie said that. Is that your family? Tootie said that. I'm not a zebra. Those are elephants, and you are my best friend. These are all sentences which are said by Elliot. You have read out the whole story, and this was a very easy exercise for you. Now what you have to do is, you have to answer one of the questions. What animals are Elliot and Tootie's scared of? You have to write down the answer of this question on those sheets. That's all.